Nature, nature always teaches you. In fact, the nature is the superior teacher of this universe. Nature teaches you everything you want to know. Every answer, even every question is hidden in this nature. All answers you want to know are hidden in this nature. All you need is to view from that special angle, from that different angle to understand this. Like this rain always teaches you much. Every droplet teaches you how little efforts work, how every try matters, how everything you do affects your life, how whatever you do it reflects on you. Everywhere nature teaches you things, but you have to have that special angle to understand this. Every droplet can do many things. Little efforts can do many things, and nature always teaches you. All surroundings, everything in nature is teaching you every second. All you need is that different and special angle to understand this. Nature is the superior teacher. Teacher teaches us